Hello everyone, I'm Jaden. Today, I'm here to introduce the SS156 Pro series, a portable monitor with RGB ambient lighting. The monitor features a black aluminum alloy body with a matte finish surface. Compared to other portable screens made of plastic, it has higher strength and better heat dissipation performance. It also comes with a dedicated screen protective cover in a black exterior with green accents. When the cover is flipped open, it acts as a stand for the screen. Moving to the bottom, there are 6 sections of RGB light strips. The working mode of the RGB lights can be manually set in the OST menu. There are 4 modes available: flowing, breathing, constant, and off. In flowing mode, the colors will cycle through 7 different colors. In breathing and constant modes, you can set your favorite color: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. It can be connected to various devices such as laptops, mini PC, smartphones with USB 3.1 interface, Xbox, PS5, and Switch. The audio quality of portable monitor speakers in the market is generally not satisfactory. Let's compare it. Well, it's safe to say that it is far ahead. Now let's take a look at the Bolt Snake Pro series speaker. Both the cavity and the sound unit are larger. Now, let's talk about the screen. Currently, this monitor uses a FHD 144 Hz IPS high color gamut screen. Compared to regular color gamut screens, the colors are more vivid and vibrant. There are also options available for 2K 144 Hz and 4K 60 Hz models. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.